right, one last question here for Kyle.
Okay, Kyle. If you had a super hot cousin who was down to pound, would you give her the salami?
Absolutely. My mom's from West Virginia.
So you would?
No.
You would not, even if... You said no?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Family.
You know what, I wonder if most guys would,
Well, let's be honest. It's how often are you seeing this cousin? Is this a cousin he grew up with?
Yeah, I mean, I see...
Probably not.
Some cousins of mine, I see once every 5 or 10 years.
Yeah,
or
exactly.
something.
What does it
Now,
matter?
if you're out drinking and you're loaded and your cousin is a 10, I'll bet a lot of dudes, I'll bet a lot of guys would do it.
And as long as you're not going to stay with her and have a relationship, just one night of passion between cousins.
What if it turns into that? It's so good, it's the best you ever had.
And then you fall in love with your cousin?
Yeah, that's what you're risking.